Peer-to-peer lending allows individuals to lend money directly to borrowers without involving traditional banks. This process enables lenders to earn interest income by connecting with people who need loans through online platforms. Peer-to-peer lending is an online service that connects lenders with borrowers. It removes the middlemen typically found in banks, allowing borrowers to obtain loans at competitive rates. For lenders, it offers a way to earn interest income by funding loans directly. Borrowers submit loan applications on peer-to-peer platforms. Lenders can browse these loan requests, review the details, and choose which loans to fund. As borrowers repay these loans with interest over time, lenders receive their principal plus earnings. Here is a simple example of how to calculate the total repayment amount using a programming language. The calculation multiplies the principal amount by 1 plus the interest rate raised to the number of periods. This formula helps lenders understand the total amount they will receive after interest. Several well-known platforms facilitate peer-to-peer lending. Lending Club offers personal and business loans with competitive rates. Prosper provides a marketplace for personal loans and investment opportunities. Funding Circle focuses on lending to small businesses, offering more options to diversify investments. Lenders can earn higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts by participating in peer-to-peer lending. The process offers diversification across different loan types and risk levels. Performance tracking is transparent, and investors can choose flexible investment amounts to match their goals. There are several risks in peer-to-peer lending. Borrowers may default on their loans, which means they fail to repay. Platform operation risks include technical issues or business failure. Investments can be illiquid, meaning lenders might not easily access their funds. Economic downturns can also negatively affect loan repayments. To begin, create an account on a reputable peer-to-peer lending platform. Deposit funds into your account, then select loans that align with your risk tolerance and financial objectives. Starting carefully and diversifying your lending portfolio can help you manage risks effectively.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.